In vandag se program kuier die vroue by Dr. Anton Groothuis en sy span van I Love My Smile. Hulle sal vir die vroue advies gee oor mondhigiëne en die JB make-up team sal vir ons wys hoe om die regte lipstifie te kies vir 'n pragtige glimlag. En as jy wonder of floss 'n mors van tyd is, bly ingeskakel.
En dan sal julle sien, soos wat die kleur bykom, verhelder dit die gesig en dit gee 'n baie mooi effek waar die oë en die lippe bypassend is.
Today we're diving into a topic that might make some of us squirm a little bit. Flossing, but fear not, because we're about to uncover the secrets to a healthy smile and sparkling dental hygiene.
What do you do when people criticize you? Maybe your mother-in-law criticized your parenting style, or maybe your husband told you that you are getting a bit chubby. We all get criticism, and it can cause our hearts to break into pieces, or it can make us stronger.